Facebook error logging in. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can solve if you're not being able to log into Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you're not being able to log into Facebook and then it says Facebook error logging in, there are a couple of ways that you can fix it. The first thing we want to make sure it is not our cellular or network connection issue. So if you're using cellular, make sure you have enough data. If you're using Wi-Fi, make sure you're using a strong internet connection. Secondly, we don't want to make sure that it is an app issue, so make sure that your app is always updated to the latest version. Once you have made sure of all that thing, go ahead and open up your Facebook application, and luckily if your account is also saved, you can also try to log in using the saved account. But if you're trying to log into a new account and then it's saying error logging in, chances are most likely because your credentials could also be incorrect. So you want to make sure that your credentials are also correct. Make sure that you have access to the email address or the phone number and the password. And if you just happen to forget the password, you can tap the forgotten password option over here and then go ahead and then make sure to enter your phone number related to your account, and then from there on you should be able to find your account and then reset it, and then after that you should be able to help solve the issue. What I would recommend you do as well is you long press the Facebook app icon, tap the I button to come to the app info page, go to storage, and then make sure to clear the data and the cache files. Once done, reopen the Facebook app and then try logging in again to your account. This way you will be able to go ahead and then basically fix the Facebook error logging in issue. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.